she just won't leave me. What's up? Hi guys, this is Boss Lady Shruti, and today I have a really special guest to introduce to you guys. And ta ta da ta! Hi! Hi baby! How are you? And Diva is also looking over here, so we'll get her as well. And honestly, I was walking Diva a couple of weeks back, and this little guy was very badly injured, and I just kind of stooped down to figure out what happened, and just kind of like, oh, kitty. Hi, kitty. What happened? This one just came and like she now refuses to let go, and she is literally like on me. Hi, kitty. Hi, baby. Oh, hi. What am I supposed to do? Okay. Can someone tell me how to take care of a cat? Because I have no idea. And this one, like, she just won't leave me. Is that a good or a bad thing? I don't even know that. Yeah? Does she hate me or what? Is she gonna bite me? Do cats bite? What have I walked into? And how do I know if this is a boy or a girl? Aw, is she scared? And look at this one. She's like, what's happening? What? How do I take care of cats? To be honest, I'm not a cat person at all. I have never liked cats, but I like animals in general. So I wanted to just kind of reach out and caress him and just be like, oh, what happened? And this little guy literally just crawled all over me and sat here and was like, that's it. Now I'm here. That's all. I'm not going anywhere. You need to take care of me. So that's what I did. I got him home, and I gave him a little bit of food. I cleaned him up because he was really stinky. This one won't come off of there. I'm trying to give her a bath and she just won't come off of here. I don't want to manhandle a kitty. Don't attack me! And because of the wound that he had got, he was very, very scared. But and I was also a little skeptical of if I should get like a street cat home, because I was not sure if Diva will kind of mingle well with him. But I saw how she was interacting with him even when I met him when I took her for a walk. So I kind of hoped and figured that it will be okay. This one is literally like mothering him 24/7. I have no idea how old he is or anything about him. So please, anybody out there who knows about cats and stuff like that, please leave me, whatever information you can about cats in the comment section. I would love to at least understand a little bit. As of now, there is a litter box for him and he keeps playing around. So, okay, I look like a hot mess right now, but I got myself a little litter box. So basically, I just went down and got some rape and made like this litter box for this little guy. I believe it's a him. I don't know how to take care of a cat. What have I gotten myself into? What?
12 seconds later.
He now seems to be eating from Diva's bowl, but there are no bones in that I already gave that to this lady right here. Can you see that this one's been scratched so badly? Yeah? Can you see that? I put some Dettol and tried to clean it, but yeah. What have I gotten myself into? Yeah? Kitty? I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. I just spoke to a girl I knew who also has a cat dog kind of situation, and wish me luck. It is a little bit of a nuisance because he keeps climbing things up, and you know, I have a ton of things lying around here and there, and it's not ideal for him to just keep, you know, pushing things off and getting on the kitchen countertop, and like Diva is very sorted like that. But with him, he's, you know, cats I guess are dominant, so they want to just be like, I'ma do my thing. So yeah, that's what he is doing. He is super fierce and feisty. Just look at that guy. Look at this guy. But both of them seem to be getting along amazingly well. But both of them seem to be getting along amazingly well. But having said that, I won't be able to keep him long term. I know that because I just have some things that I need to do, and Diva. And having a cat is unfortunately not part of that plan. So if you feel like you can give him a forever home, please let me know. Please reach out to me in the via email or by, you know, DM. I would love to kind of ensure that this little guy gets a forever home. He is super cute. Look at him. Look at him. See, even Diva is giving him love. See, look at him. So yeah, I would love to kind of find a forever home for him, and I don't want to get emotionally attached, so that is why I haven't named him. I just call him Kitty. Yeah, this little guy is up for adoption, so anybody who is in Dubai and would like to would like to adopt a little kitten and take care of him, please reach out to me. I would love that. And yeah, taking care of a kitten has been a pretty exciting experience. I just feel like with animals, they have a way of making you feel cared for in a beautiful way, which I appreciate, of course. And it was actually nice because Diva also got to have some company around her. Otherwise, bichari ghar pe akele rehti hai, and I sometimes feel bad. But with him around, they play and they fight and they just keep themselves entertained, which is great. So yeah, please let me know if you can adopt him. That would be great. And that is the little itsy bitsy vlog that I have for you today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy!